The Audi Q7 is a full-size luxury crossover SUV unveiled in September 2005 at the Frankfurt Motor Show. Production of the Q7 began in autumn of 2005 at the Volkswagen Bratislava Plant in Bratislava, Slovakia. It is the first SUV offering from Audi and went on sale in 2006. Later, Audi's second SUV, the Q5, was unveiled as a 2009 model. Audi has since unveiled a third SUV model, the Q3, going on sale in the third quarter of 2011. The Q7 shares a platform with the Volkswagen Touareg and the Porsche Cayenne. Overview: the Q7 utilizes a modified version of the Volkswagen Group A71 platform. Previewed by the Audi Q7 concept car, the Q7 is designed more for on-road use, and was not meant for serious off-road use where a transfer case is needed. In an off-road test through the Australian outback it fared well for a soft roader. Although it lacks a low-range transfer case, it has quattro permanent four-wheel drive system with a central differential lock, and an adjustable height air suspension which helps in off-road situations. Development began in 2002 under the code AU716, primarily focused on the Pikes Peak concept. Design work was frozen for the concept in July 2002, for presentation at the North American International Auto Show in January 2003. Following the introduction of the concept, full-scale development began on Tip 4L of the PL71 platform. The production design was frozen in late 2003, for a late 2005 start of production. Prototypes went into testing in December 2004, with development concluding in mid-2005. Sales: first generation. Features: Q7 offers a feature marketed as AMI, or Audi Music Interface, to allow user manipulation of an iPod or similar MP3-style player, which can play through the main sound system. Q7 was the first Audi model to offer side assist, a type of blind spot detection and warning system. Engines: source, 0 Euro 100 km/h performance for Q7 3.6 VR6 FSI is 8.5s, and for 4.2 V8 FSI is 7.4s. Safety. Despite its multiple airbags and safety electronics, such as electronic stability program, the Q7 scored only 4 stars out of 5 in the Euro NCAP crash test for adult occupant protection. According to Audi, this was caused by a design error, and has since been fixed in cars manufactured after the test, which should allegedly lead to 5 stars. Official tests to prove this remain to be done as of March 2009. However, in the United States, the Q7 received 5 out of 5 stars from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration safety test for both front and side impacts. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety awarded the Q7 its top safety pick, with good ratings in all 14 measured categories of the front and side impact test. North American models: it was first released as 2007 model, with Q7 4.2 Quattro available at launch. Q7 Hybrid: the Q7 Hybrid was a concept vehicle using the engine from the 4.2 FSI with an electric motor to provide 200 Nm extra torque, and nickel metal hydride battery. It has 0 Euro 100 km/h acceleration of 6.8s. The vehicle weighs 2,410 kg, 140 kg heavier than the petrol counterpart. The vehicle was unveiled at the 2005 Frankfurt Motor Show. Audi reportedly was going to introduce a hybrid version of the Q7 sometime in the future. However, the low US dollar caused Audi to drop the plans for the US market, but stated limited quantities would be available for the commercial market. Audi's research and development chief, Michael Dick, later announced Q7 Hybrid would be produced in limited numbers for test purposes only, and that development work would focus on a more advanced lithium-ion battery-based hybrid system for the Q5. Q7 3.0 TDI Clean Diesel: the Q7 3.0 TDI Clean Diesel is a version of 3.0 V6 TDI with selective catalytic reduction. The engine was later used in the next generation of the Q7 for the European market. US models of the 2009 Audi Q7 TDI Premium went on sale in 2009 April with a base MSRP of $50,900. Q7 4.2 TDI, the vehicle was unveiled in 2007 Geneva Motor Show. Production version went on sale in early summer 2007. Q7 V12 TDI, the engine was based on the diesel technology from Audi A10 TDI race car, but with larger displacement. The only 12-cylinder diesel engine used in any passenger car, it was rated at 500 PS and 1000 Nm. This gives the vehicle a 0–100 km/h acceleration time of 5.5 seconds. The Q7 V12 TDI is, according to Audi, the best handling Q7 due to a revised suspension, tires and brakes. Audi claims the Q7 V12 TDI can handle a lateral inclination of over 0.9 g on a 300-foot skid pad. The concept vehicle originally appeared at the 2006 Paris Motor Show. Audi had announced V12 diesel version for the US market using diesel emission treatment technology jointly developed with Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz under the label BlueTech. Audi cancelled the plan to federalize the Q7 V12 TDI for the US market due in part to the global financial crisis of 2008. This V12 version is no longer available for the model year 2013 in anticipation of the cosmetic and mechanical update of Q7 for 2014. The auto listing websites, Mobilda and Autoscout24 have shown the 2012 model year availability of V12 version. Audi Q7 Coastline, it is a concept version of Q7 V12 TDI with Inuit white interior with wood decoration. The design theme was inspired by luxury yachts. The vehicle was unveiled in 2008 Geneva Motor Show. Lawsuit on the use of the letter Q. In early 2005, Nissan North America Incorporated filed a lawsuit against Audi over the use of the letter Q as a model name. Audi is using the Q for the designation of their Quattro four-wheel drive system, used in production cars for over 25 years. Nissan's Infiniti marque had been using Q as the name for sedans and SUVs since 1989. A settlement between Audi AG and Nissan was reached in late 2006. The agreement stipulates that Audi will only use the Q prefix for two models, the Q5 and the Q7. Facelift. The vehicle was unveiled in 2009 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. Exterior changes include new front and rear lights which better incorporate LED lighting with optional LED turn signals and daytime running lights, new wheel designs, chrome accents, 4 new paint colors, and updated body styling in the front and rear. A redesigned interior includes a new instrument cluster, new leather seating, ambient door lighting, new interior color choices, new trim, and the third-generation MMI control system. Q7 3.0 TDI Clean Diesel Quattro. It is a version of 3.0 TDI with selective catalytic reduction. CO2 emission was reduced to 234 grams per kilometer with Euro 6 certification, but the vehicle is 50 kg heavier. It's been reported that at 72.5 mph the Audi Q7 TDI will get 29 plus miles per gallon. Q7 2011, a brand new facelift brought optional LED headlights, an 8-speed transmission, start-stop fuel-saving technology, CO2 rating reduced to 195 grams per kilometer, and a wraparound tailgate design. Also more flat and metallic colors became available and 21-inch titanium effect wheels became an optional extra. Certain models now achieved upwards of 37 mpg imp. New engines include two 3.0 supercharged engines. One of the supercharged engines puts out 272 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. The other engine, which is found on the S-Line Prestige Q7, puts out 333 lhp and 325 lb-ft of torque and is the twin of the engine found in the S4 and S5 cabrios. These engines replaced both the 3.6 and 4.2 gas engines. Both engines have the same fuel economy. Q7 2012, Audi has added their new Audi Connect to the MMI system, which adds internet-driven POI search, via user input or via the voice control system, as well as access to online services delivering local fuel prices, news, weather and other information. Audi Connect also offers in-car Wi-Fi connectivity for up to 8 devices. This is the last model year for the V12 version. US models. The vehicles were introduced in 2009 as 2010 models. Available models include 3.6 FSI Quattro, 4.2 FSI Quattro, 3.0 TDI Clean Diesel Quattro. Changes include standard LED tail lights with available LED turn signals and daytime running lights, Sirius traffic system. Production version went on sale in September 2009. For 2011 the 3.6 FSI and 4.2 FSI were replaced by two 3.0 LTFSI supercharged engines. The base version develops 272 HP for 2012, and 295 lb-aft while the S-Line has 333 HP and 325 lb-aft. The V12 diesel engine is not available in the United States. Engines of Audi. Transmission. All models include 6-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission as standard. No manual transmission is offered. From 2010 8-speed automatic transmission is standard. See also, Audi Duo, Audi A4, references. Jürgen Zoelter. Preview, Audi Q7. Car and driver, 55er, external links, Audi Q7 microsite, Audi UK Q7 page.